Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Alexander Lexter Jules. Let's give attention to these accounts. Twitter mga kaibigan. Ang sabi niya, tears, laughter, and in between. Direct Kathy Garcia Sampana did it again. It looked like there wasn't a single dry eye in the cinema after the meet, greet, and buy premiere. Beautiful screenplay plus effective cast. For me, ang nag-show daw talaga ng grabing acting, Joshua Garcia and Piolo Pascual's acting showdown was the highlight. And I cannot think of any other actress who could have given the same impact as Marisol Soriano did. If you are a fan of Star Cinema's family drama movies in the past, you shouldn't miss this one. Meet, Greet, and Buy is now showing, mga kaibigan, worldwide. Hashtag Joshua Garcia, hashtag Bel Mariano, hashtag Piolo Pascual, hashtag Juan Carlos Labajo, and hashtag Marisol Soriano, plus hashtag Kaori Yunoma. So, narito po ang video na idinigdag niya po dito. Let's watch this. So yes mga kaibigan, that is the review of Mr. Random Republica mga kaibigan. Showing nationwide na po ito, syempre, in cinemas. Ang tatandaan ko yan at babantayan ko kung sino talaga ang nag-showdown sa iyakan at sa acting to the next level mga kaibigan. Ang lala, sabi ni Kapamilya, upon scanning the online ticket sales, Meet, Greet, and Buy has earned a whooping 3 million pre-sales as of 11 a.m. today, November 12. Ngayong araw, magsisimula ang showing ng pelikula at ngayong 11:30 a.m. ang unang showing time sa ilang piling sinehan at susundan ng 12 noon mga kaibigan. So yes, ipinost dito ni Kapamilya account ang whooping 3 million pre-sales ng Meet, Greet, and Buy. Star Cinema is saying it's finally here. Experience the story that will touch your heart and bring families together. So, you were great, Leo and Gary. Sabi naman Inquirer. Watch Juan Carlos and Bel Mariano greeted the fans who attended the premiere night sa Meet, Greet, and Buy mga kaibigan. That is JK Labajo and naiipit sa gitna ay si Bel Mariano mga kaibigan. Ayan, pagkatapos mapanood nga po itong premiere night ng Meet, Greet, and Buy. So yes, as I've said a while ago, Bel and Miss Marisol Soriano ay sumakay po after party. Meron daw after party. Bel with Papa P and Inay Maria after the after party. Meet, Greet, and Buy mga kaibigan. So inihatid po siya ni Mr. Piolo Pascual mga kaibigan. No makeup, no problem. And that is Bel Mariano there. Ayan, ganyan kaganda ang isang Bel Mariano, sabi ni Jazz mga kaibigan. So, ano pang inaantay nyo? Nako, kailangan nyo nang bumili ng ticket kasi nga po nagkakaubusan na at umabot na ng 3 million sales ang Meet, Greet, and Buy. Hindi pa po nag-uumpisa yan mga kaibigan. Papaumpisa pa lang po at heto talagang nagkakaubusan na po ng ticket, mga kaibigan. So yes, as I've said yesterday, pumasok at ipinasok po ng PBB House sina Piolo Pascual at Joshua Garcia. Kilig to the bone sina Ashley Sarmiento, Princess Alia, pagkatapos marigalohan ng jacket mula sa heartthrobs na sina Papa P and Joshua. Let's watch this.
Basta na para magpahal.
Babay po na. Thank you, kuya. Babay po, thank you.
Ang bango, syempre, galing kay Papa Pian at galing kay Joshua Garcia. So, yan po ang ilan sa kaganapan na makikita natin. Reviews are in masakit, as in, masakit, maganda, totoo, experience it yourself, meet, greet, and buy. Meron daw ditong pa Chloe Saavedra, sabi, just finished watching Meet, Greet, and Buy, and I can honestly say it reminded me of how truly important family is. Sometimes we get so caught up with our own lives and we forget how much our family shapes who we are. This movie made me pause and think about how lucky I am to have a family that is always there through every high and low, through thick and thin now. As someone who's super close to my family and really values them, this movie touched me deeply. It made me think about how lucky I am to have them beside me through everything. Ayan po, this movie shows how powerful family love can be, like how it shapes us, strengthens us, and stays with us no matter where life leads. That's from Chloe Saavedra, mga kaibigan. Samantalang sabi dito ng isa, a mother's unconditional love forms the powerful emotional core of the film, and its reciprocation by her sons serves as a deeply affecting thematic anchor. I believe the movie is telling us that this love isn't just passive devotion. It's shown in the sons' fierce protectiveness, their willingness to sacrifice their own desires for her well-being, and their shared, unspoken commitments to ensuring her happiness and security, no matter the cost. With that, I am very moved. I am very, very glad that this film is going to be shown sooner. For me, Meet, Greet, and Buy is a win for Pinoy cinema because it understands that the greatest drama often lies in the most intimate spaces. It's a powerful, well-acted, and emotionally challenging film that reminds us of the complexity and unconditional love required to keep a family whole. Nako, meron pa ditong isa. Yung iyak ko sa Meet, Greet, and Buy, Diyos ko po, lumabas ako ng sinihan na mugtong mata at namumula pa ang ilong. Legit magdala kayo ng tissue. That's from Christy. Diba? So yan po ang mga positive reviews na talagang ikinatuwa nilang mapanood ang Meet, Greet, and Buy, mga kaibigan. So ano pang inaantay mo? Bili na ng ticket kasi malay mo, maubusan ka ng ticket. Nako, mahirap na. Hindi mo mapanood ang pinaghirapan at nilagyan ng full effort ng mga actors and actresses ng Meet, Greet, and Buy para ipakita sa inyo ang kaimportante ng bawat miyembro ng pamilya, mga kaibigan. Alexander Lexter Jules, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
So can you come pick up your clothes? I had